delicious way to use up some leftover ham? Our country ham and broccoli grit recipe can do just that. Let's make it. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. You want to go ahead and get your oven preheated to 375 degrees. And next we're going to use a skillet, and we're going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in our skillet. We're going to add 12 ounces of chopped broccoli, a half a cup of minced onion. We're going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. We're going to cook this mixture for about 5 minutes or until our vegetables have softened. Our vegetables are now soft. We're going to take them out of the pan and put them aside, and we'll be using those in just a little bit. All right, now we're going to cook our grits for our recipe. We're going to add in 4 cups of low-fat milk into a saucepan. And we're going to bring that up to a boil before we add our grits. When you're heating your milk, make sure and continue to stir your milk so that you don't scorch the bottom of your pan. Our milk has started to boil, and now I'm going to add in 1 cup of grits slowly and continue to stir until it thickens. Now that our grits are done, we're going to combine our ingredients. If you happen to use a pan big enough, you could add all your ingredients into your pan, but I'm going to use a bowl today. So I'm going to add my grits into my bowl. I'm going to add back into my vegetables. And then I'm going to add in 6 ounces of country ham cut into chunks. Then you're going to add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and reserve about 2 tablespoons that we will use later. We're going to add in 1 beaten egg and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and pepper. We're going to mix these ingredients together, and then we were going to be putting this into a greased 9 by 13 baking dish. We're going to spread this out evenly, and then we're going to sprinkle on top that reserved cheese. We're going to bake this uncovered for 30 minutes or until the top is slightly set and puffy. Our country ham and broccoli grit recipe is now finished, and it smells amazing. Let's serve some up. I'm going to cut out a little square of it here and put it on the plate. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.